Hi everyone, I am Nanya Chambal, MBBS student at Government Medical College, Jammu. This video is going to be a 2-week vlog of my second year MBBS exams. I want you to watch it till the end because exams are a part of everyone's life and you will pretty much relate with me.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
It's almost 12:30 a.m. and there is no electricity at my place because whenever there is heavy rain or windstorm, there is a long cut of electricity and then the inverter battery obviously goes down. So there is no electricity right now, but I cannot miss the day. I have only one day and I have to do a lot of syllabus. So I will use the emergency light and I will study.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger? 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 What if I go stronger?
सुबह के बज रहे हैं 4। हे भगवान मेरा करा दे बेड़ा पार। आधे से ज़्यादा सिलेबस बचा है अभी।
बहुत नाजुक सूरत हाल है।
हाय, दोपहर के बज रहे हैं, एक्चुअली दोपहर नहीं शाम के बज रहे हैं 5:30 और मेरा अभी तक आधे से ज़्यादा सिलेबस फिर से बचा हुआ है। और ये मैंने अपने बाल बांध लिए बिकॉज मैं अपने बालों को ऐसे कर रही थी, वो बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रही थी और बहुत टाइम वेस्ट कर रही थी, तो मैंने अब इसका जुगाड़ कर लिया। मैंने 2
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
लड्डू बना दिए अपने बालों के।
मस्त जोक मारा रे, ये हंस रे हलकट हंस।
जेरी आया है। ये देखिए बाहर से धूप में तपतपाए जेरी हमारे कमरे में आए हैं। हाय जेरी। हाय जेरी, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता। जेरी मुझे कुछ नहीं आता। भगवान आपसे अच्छा मौसम मांगा था, आपने बारिश देकर लाइट ले ली। एक साथ सारी अच्छी चीज़ें क्यों नहीं हो सकती हैं हमारी ज़िंदगी में। अब इन्वर्टर भी डेड हो जाएगा। पेपर कैसा हुआ?
वैसा ही जैसा नन्या का हुआ।
मेरा तो बहुत बकवास हुआ
यार नन्या तो मेरे को अभी कह रही थी थोड़ी देर पहले, अबे धमाकेदार पेपर हुआ।
चल झूठा।
ऐसे पेपर ही आए, अगला मैं
रिश्ता आपको कैसा हुआ? आपको कैसा हुआ?
जैकास।
Okay.
That's my boy.
Just woke up in the night and guess what? This beast is not even our pet. He is our neighbor's dog. But मजे पूरे लेने हैं जनाब को।
A few moments later.
Run.
It's another day, and tomorrow I have my pharmacology paper 2. I did not study anything after coming back from college yesterday. I'm done with paper 1 of pharmacology, and today it's almost 12:15 p.m. Still, I have not even touched my books. I'm still having my milk. I have a lot of syllabus to do, so I'll just start. I had slept for only 45 minutes for my paper 1 of pharmacology. I did not sleep the entire night. As a result, I was not much active during the exam and I could not study after I came back home. So today I will sleep early.
कैसा था आपका पेपर?
ठीक ठीक था, ठीक ठीक। कैसा पेपर हुआ?
ठीक होगा?
थोड़ा कुछ
नहीं
हाँ?
नहीं. Hi, I just came back home from college. Paper 2 pharmacology was much better than paper 1 pharmacology. I'm very much tired because again I did not sleep the entire night. I only slept for half an hour or maybe an hour. Also, I don't know why people ask for so many sheets while they're writing answers, especially in pharmacology. I believe pharmacology is a subject where we have to write only the concepts and to the point answers. It really makes me confused whether I am writing less or they are writing more. Anyways, whatever it is, I will just sleep and maybe I will study today. It depends on at what time I wake up. And day after tomorrow is Hemat plus General, that is Patho paper 1, and it is really going to be tough. Hemat is a big unit. Let's see what happens. Good night. I did not study anything yesterday as usual. I never study on the day of the exam. Like after I come back home from giving the exam, I don't study. Like till now, of all the exams, whether it is school or college, I've never studied after coming back home. I don't know what kind of vlog it will be. It a toota-foota vlogs hai. Matlab like I'm shooting something. Sometimes I forget that I'm shooting a vlog. Like on the day of the exam, I'm so much in hurry that I just forget that I have to shoot a vlog. But I am still trying, and this will be a very, I don't know, toota-foota vlog. But if you're watching this, thank you.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. Why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting.
Done with 4 papers. Now 3 are left: micro paper 1, micro paper 2 and forensic medicine. By the time you reach these papers, you are very much tired because pathology and pharmacology are very big subjects. So I am just here to energize myself with this weather. And also my exams are not going so great. Also, you might be thinking by seeing this video that I am a very dedicated student or I study so much, but you only see what I make you see. So please don't judge. I'm a very average student and I also waste a lot of time. I also do a lot of things other than just studying. So just please don't judge and just enjoy this video. Okay? जब ऐसा मौसम होता है ना तब बस दो काम करने का मन करता है, एक सोने का और एक नहीं पढ़ने का. मतलब कुछ भी करने का लेकिन पढ़ने का नहीं. और भी मेरा दोनों मन कह रहा है. मन कह रहा है मैं सो जाऊँ, मन कह रहा है मैं कुछ जलेबी खाऊं, पकोड़े खाऊं, समोसे खाऊं.
ऐसे हालात में बेहतर यही है कि वक्त रहते इंसान सतर्क होकर अपने जज्बात को काबू में रखकर अपने कदम पीछे हटा ले और अपनी जिंदगी को एक नई दिशा की तरफ मोड़ने की कोशिश करे.
पर मुझे पढ़ना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरा परसों पेपर है. और माइक्रो को तो मैंने पूरे साल निगलेक्ट किया है. मतलब माइक्रो फोरेंसिक को सारे निगलेक्ट करते हैं, मैं खेली नहीं हूँ. तो अब टाइम आ गया फाइनली माइक्रो पढ़ने का और अब पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Today is Sunday and tomorrow I have my micro paper 1 and I am just having my lunch, that is Rajma Chawal. If you're a Jammuti, let me know in the comments below that why Rajma Chawal is a meal on Sundays.
आज इमोशन नहीं, आज ब्लैंक है सारे. हुआ क्या पेपर में? अच्छा हुआ या खराब हुआ? हुआ यार एकदम.
नहीं भाई, हो जाओ भाई.
मेरे को डर लगता है पागल नीचे.
Just reached home after giving my microbiology paper 1. The paper was okay, but a lot of things happened today. Since it was raining overnight, so the road got washed away in the morning and we had to take a long route. We got stuck in a traffic jam and I reached half an hour late. So I had to just rush through my exams and write the answers as fast as possible. Also, the second thing which happened was, there was a question in my exam, cholera red reaction. The question has the answer within itself, but I don't know why what struck my mind. I just wrote that this is a misnomer and this is not related to Vibrio cholera. Cholera is a disease that causes diarrhea. This is the simplest explanation I can give on YouTube. So I am just losing straight away 2 marks of that question. I'm going to get 0 in that question. And the rest of the questions were okay. Now I'm just left with 2 exams. That is micro paper 2 and forensic medicine. The forensic medicine has both the paper 1 and paper 2 in one paper only. So I just want to get over the exams as soon as possible.
रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना. नहीं, it's okay.
Possible so that I can just sleep.
Hello guys.
How was your exam?
Pathetic and shit. नहीं मम्मा, पेपर ठीक था.
क्या बोला तूने?
How was your exam?
ये मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं.
आप मुँह दिखाने लायक नहीं रहे हो. How was your exam?
कौन सा एग्जाम?
Done with paper 2 of micro. Don't ask how the paper was. I think that it was equal for everyone. And don't ignore microbiology. People who say that you can pass microbiology by ignoring it the entire year, they are the biggest liars. Don't trust them. And I think that it is the consistency that matters. If you have studied the entire year and you don't study one day before the exam, the entire hard work is of no use, because at the end you will only remember what you studied one day before the exam or like few hours before the exam. So it is the consistency. One should remain consistent. And now just left with one paper, that is forensic medicine. Tomorrow is my last exam, that is forensic medicine, and it's almost 9:30 p.m. I'm done with only 5% of the syllabus. Yes, almost the entire syllabus is still left. I procrastinated the whole day. I think that this is something that happens with me every time when it's forensic medicine. I think that this is common to every medical student, I guess. And a small thing I want to tell you. It was my relative's birthday. I went there, I wished her, I didn't eat anything there, and I came back home. So, a small gesture, they have sent me some tasty eatables and I'm very happy. Let me just show you. Dun 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 dun.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Like. Guys, like, share, comment. Bye guys.
And don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe.